Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I will teach you how to delete your WEBTOON account. First, go to the WEBTOON website where you will see a bunch of comics. Tap on your name to go to your account. Scroll down until you find the option asking if you want to delete your account. Once you tap on that, a page will appear warning you that deleting your account is permanent, and it will remove all subscription history. It also mentions that if you want to unsubscribe from email notifications, you can adjust the settings, and comments you have made won't be automatically deleted. If you want to delete specific comments, you will need to do so before deleting your account. Additionally, any remaining coins and access to digital content will be lost, and you won't be able to restore your access after deletion. If you understand these consequences and still wish to delete your account, click on the button that says I understand, I want to delete my account. After that, you will be given the option to click delete my account and you will successfully delete your WEBTOON account. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.